So who really enjoys going to the dentist? There are a group of people who do enjoy going to the dentist. And then there's a 5% of so-called lucky people. These are usually men. They're usually people with good snacking and eating habits. And most of all, they have healthy alkaline saliva flow. So these are people who just naturally have good teeth, and they don't mind either because they have no idea what other people suffer. But the third group that enjoys going to the dentist, and I know this from the testimonials that I've had, are people who've managed to gain control over their oral health. They have been empowered by the system that I recommend and the use of xylitol at the end of meals and drinks, and they know that they can control this disease, that they are in the driver's seat, and they can go for their periodic dental evaluations and be pretty certain that they are not going to need a cleaning. At least they can ask, do I need a cleaning? And most of the time they are told, well, not really. And they will not be on the list for treatment. So these are the people that I am very happy to say have learned about oral health, have empowered themselves, and can now truly and fearlessly enjoy dental visits.